Welcome to Baba's Kitchen. So art is very essential of our life. My medium is fruit. So I'm going to show you some carvings. It's called garnish. So let's start. So just I want to introduce you. This is my weapons. This is what called knives, carving knives. Actually, this is the shape which I made with what do you call the grinder. So it will not get in market like that. So you have to make it like this, and with grinder that it is not that much easy also. So if you have someone you know, so that they can make it for you. And there is another knife. This is costly like 200 rupees in India. It's like a 2 kg over here. So this is very much available in the market. Okay. So this is the main important carving tools in our life, in carver's life. I mean, who is doing the carving, okay? And this is little bit bigger than this. So see, the shape is different, almost 1 inch is different. And this also is not coming in the market like that. We have to make according to our shape, our concern, okay? And the most important carving tool is V-groover. This see the shape is like V. So if you want to groove like this, you will get the V shapes. And another one is U. So here you can see that U. If you carve something, it will look like U shape. Just I show you for a demonstration. See, it's almost like U, the edge. But if you going to groove with this one, see the difference. This is like a U curve, and this is V shape, okay. This is the use of V groovers, and this is U shape, and various size you will get in market, so you can use it according to your idea, okay. So I will just introduce, and I will just show you as I know. So just if you follow this one, it will be anyone who has interested. They can be an artist. They can be an food carver. Because in my life I was not an artist. So some of my friends, they made me artist. So if I can, definitely you can. So you just try it, just follow it, and practice. Keep practice every day. So one day you will achieve the what you want to do to be, okay. You know that carrot is very good for health. We can make a lot of products out of this kind of foods, like salads or even desserts also. Indian desserts also we can prepare according to your idea. But today I am going to show you some something different. Some flowers and some garnishes, some leaves, and some designs also. Okay, let's start. This is my product. Now I am going to make one flower out of carrot. So while you choose the carrot, you should take care about the size of the carrot. See, I choose a very thick one. Okay, so it's almost like 1.5 inch. So let's start. So I'll just trimming like that. So just notice that while I riding my knife is going to inside. So you can find there is one hump here, like that. Okay, like this. So almost we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces is here. So it means 6 petals it will come. And make sure all are in same size. So if one time if it didn't happen, you have to make it one more time. So that will be make your product very good. Okay, next I'm going to use the V-groover. So this already I informed you, I just introduced to you before. So this is the way we have to use V-groover. So did you notice that I didn't make straight? So there is one curve here, like that. It's easy, you know. It's, just by practice you can do it. See, this is the important thing. This finger is very important because I give support. Otherwise, it will go like that, and you will not get the exact shapes. Okay, so you did already. Now we can give 2 more marks. So maybe you will think why record this all. So I'll show you at last the product. It will give the more genuinity or more indication of your product. Okay, just wait. See, so that part is over. Now next thing is, it should be very thin. See, not very thick. It should be very thin, and just write your knife slowly to down. Same, repeat. And the third one. So you can see the knife like that, more deep, and you should cut this part also. That will give more beautiful of your flower. Just go down. Okay, very simple. So first part is over. Now we have to trim out this part. Just trim slowly. You know that art is very, while doing art you have to give more attention and more patience. Okay. Now you can go more deep. See, this much deep I go already. Okay. Just trim out. Now looks more clear. So first layer is already done. Now we are going to second layer. Okay. Just trim, make smooth the edges, and the important thing is knife should be very sharp. And while you starting, you have to trim out the edges. You have to smooth the edges. See, like that. And you have to start from the middle. See, I started from the middle of this petal. And same, repeat. If you give more attention, your product will be more attractive. And this is most important, the petals while you start, it should be middle of the, see, middle of the two petals. Otherwise it will not look like original flower. This I am sure it will be look more beautiful. And for the third layer, you have to trim out the middle part. It's like it should be look like around. There is no necessary actually. If you want, you can make another different style also. That also I'll show you later in another flower. See, I trim because the middle part of the flower is always will be inside like the bud. Okay, so already I prepared one flower. So as I told you before, half part only you have to do. The other part will do by water, cold water. Okay, now I just want to use this knife because this is very thin. If I use the thick knife, your petal will be damaged. Okay, just remove this part. So your first flower is ready. This you can use for bouquet, or if you made some salads or something, you can garnish with this. So I hope you like this flower. Our flower is ready now. You can have a look. See, you can use in your bouquet or your salad presentation, whatever is there. See, this is the final one. If you put in a long time in water, overnight, it will be open like last time I showed you that one. And just try in your home, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.